Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create AI logo animations in FlexClip, which is a video creation app powered by AI. So here is an example of a professionally looking logo animation that I created in FlexClip. So let me show you how. I'm logged into my FlexClip account. This is the home page. I'll go to the template section. And if I scroll down, you'll see AI logo animation section here. I'll click See All. And here it'll display all of the templates. Right now there are no templates showing, but you'll find them all here. Alternatively, you can go to this URL directly. And this is what the AI logo animations template section looks like. Let me scroll down. And as you can see, there are many beautiful templates to choose from. Let me scroll back up. If you hover your mouse over a specific template, as I'm doing right now, you'll see the preview of that specific logo animation. When you hover your mouse over the template, you'll see this AI Recreate button, and if you click on it, it'll open this section. On the left side is a preview section, and on the right, you can drag and drop your logo image here. I'll click on Upload Files, navigate to your image folder on your computer, choose your image, and then click Open. So here is the image. And then you click on Generate. Please bear in mind that it will use AI credits for each template, and each template is different. So in this case, it's going to use 50 credits. It will then begin generating the logo animation, and this process can take 2 to 3 minutes depending on the template. And once completed, it'll open the FlexClip video editor, as you can see here. You can then click this play button to preview the logo animation, as you can see right here as I'm doing. And this is the same template that I showed you earlier. You can then save this video project by clicking this box at the top and then typing the file name and then hit enter on your keyboard to save it. And once you're happy with it, you can click this export button in the top right corner. And from this pop-up, you can choose the video resolution. I'll go with 720p and then click on export. You'll then start rendering the MP4 video for the logo, and this usually takes just a few seconds. You can then check the browser downloads folder for the video. And then you can click this back to edit button to go back to the video editor. And if you click this FlexClip logo in the top left corner, it'll bring you back to the main homepage. I just want to make one quick point. So here is another logo animation template that I used to create this other logo animation. And some templates will have a text box for the website URL, as you can see here, and you'll need to edit it separately. Now let me play some logo animations that I created using different templates and a couple of different logos. With FlexClip, you can create different types of videos using pre-made templates and with AI. You can check the link in the description section to get FlexClip at a discounted price. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.